Alright guys, Fire Chief Mallard, this here is going to be the light pattern for the Chief vehicle. Ignore the skin, it's just something custom I have. So first you're going to have the directional up here, you're going to have singles in the rear windshield, and then 2 singles on the rear bumper. This here's temporary until the lights inside the trunk are fixed. Then on the side you have just a light in the window, and that's the same on both sides. Then on the front you just have the 2 grill lights, just those ones. Then you have the mirror lights on both sides. Then you have the double there. And then for the light bar you have the one that has 1 solid red and 1 solid blue on the front, and then yellow on the back is this one right here that my mouse is hovered over. Just so you get an idea which one, so you can see. Yep, just clicked it. That is the first one. Then for the tanker slash engine, which we call engine, this here is how it's going to look. Ignore this little glitched part on the back. That there is a glitch on my end. One sec. I have to click it quite a couple times, but basically that's what it stays, is that red rotary right there on the back right. Excuse the voice crack. And then we have a yellow rotary on the back left. We have 2 big lights here. Then we have each a big light on each side next to the brake lights, and then a smaller one right below. On the side, we have 1 light here at the end of the bumper. We have a big light on the first box, 1 behind the wheel, 1 in front. It's hard to see, but there is a light right there at the end of the cursor. That there is also where a light is. We have 1 here on the side, right above the fender. And then we have the double grill lights there. That there does not belong. And it's just the same on the other side. And then on top in the front, we have the red rotary. Then moving on to the ladder truck. Give it a second for the lights to kick on. Let's spawn. 1 sec. That is very odd. Alright, there you go. So up front, no lights up here, just these 2 double rotaries on the top. A big light there, small light there. They're supposed to be these. Same thing there. The spinner in the middle. These 2 lights on the front bumper. On the side you want 1 up here in the front. Big light there. Small light there. Another small light there. Then right there next to the pump panel, you want to have a big light. You want a big light on the outrigger. 1 in between. 1 towards the back. And then 1 next to the ladder. Then on the back you want to make sure directional bar, the big lights above, then the smaller ones. Then down here at the bottom, 2 of the slightly larger ones, and then 2 mini ones on each end. And then same thing for this side.